Hello happy family, welcome once again to my channel. As you can see in this video, we are going to prepare the most delicious and authentic step-by-step Ghanaian waakye or a waakye, or the most delicious, your favorite street waakye that you've ever made. Okay, so I know you want to try this recipe. It is so authentic and very delicious. So basically this is rice and beans, and I believe you want to share with your friends and loved ones. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and my old subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. So please come with me to the kitchen and let's start cooking. You know, the waakye is the most delicious, authentic recipe that you've ever tried, and I believe cooking with me today is just a joy. So I just turned my stove on and I'm going to fill my pot with a lot of water because I'm going to make just 3 cups of rice. So I'm filling my pot on the halfway. Next, we are going to need waakye leaves. It is so funny when I saw this pairing, like on my package, it says like waakye instead of waakye. I don't know, it's like everyone have different ways of pronouncing waakye or waakye, and it doesn't matter whichever way you understand it, it is perfect. So next we have our waakye leaves ready. Just go ahead and let's wash these leaves. I know with me, whenever I make waakye, I just try to wash the leaves. It is the perfect way to keep your hygienic system moving on. So after we washing our leaves, it is very long waakye leaves, and I don't really like it. Like, it's gonna really bother me when I cook it. It's just gonna be a little bit annoying. So I'm just gonna cut it into 2, and then that way it is perfect. Yeah, and also it will be easy to remove when it is cooked. So next, I have in here my measuring cup, and I'm going to use 2 cups of black eye beans. If you don't like black eye beans, if you feel like black eye beans really bothers you, you can use those little red beans as well. When it comes to waakye, you can use any beans of your choice. Like I know some people are allergic to black eye beans, and even if you don't like beans, you can skip that part also. But waakye and black eye beans is the best. So next, I'm just gonna wash my beans and make sure that everything is nicely clean, and that way I can just go ahead and cook it. And I'm say waakye we say from waakye, authentic roadside waakye papa bi. So next, I am just gonna add in here my beans, and we're just gonna cook these beans right here. So just I'm doing right here. Yeah, this really reminds me when I was in high school. I remember we usually go to this lady, and then she always made very authentic, delicious waakye every morning before we go to class. We just sneak in there just to go enjoy her waakye. It was really a joy, and I remember a shit to my waakye also was really amazing. So I just added in my waakye leaves, and I'm just gonna cover it and have it boil. So next, I have in here 3 cups of my rice. I have here basmati rice. This is mandi basmati rice, and I'm just gonna wash it. So these beans has been boiling for about 10 minutes, and as gradually it cooks, it's gonna change the color, and it's gonna be more reddish look because of the leaves. But if you don't have the leaves, or you cannot get hold of the leaves, you can use baking soda to cook your beans instead of adding in the leaves. So next, we're just gonna gradually check our beans and make sure that it is cooking evenly and smoothly. When you make a waakye, just please take your precious time and prepare the delicious waakye for your family and friends. We all love waakye recipe, and I know you would surely give this recipe a try. Yes, as you can see, this beans is cooking really perfect. So I'm going to remove some of the waakye leaves because soon I'm going to be adding in my rice, and I don't want this to be on the way. So go ahead and then remove some of it, not all of it. And after that, please make sure that you check and see the beans is cooking gradually and really tender. So this is the perfect time to go ahead and add in all your rice. So I just washed my rice right here, and I'm gonna have my mandi rice available to purchase. So soon I'm gonna show you guys how you can buy this rice if you really want to buy some. This rice is a perfect rice, and I believe you want to give it a try. For all your cooking, it is just amazing. So I'm adding in here my salt and to taste. Please, you can add in as much of your choice. It is your food, just feel free, and then cook it. Yeah, so go ahead and after that cover it and lower your heat into a low heat, and then leave it on to simmer. And gradually, please make sure that you check your rice and at least give it a stir and make sure that everything is nicely cooking. As you can tell, this waakye is cooking really beautifully. So that's how I am making this recipe for you, and I believe it will bring some joy to your home and your family. So I've been letting this cook for about 30 minutes, and as you can tell, I just open it and stir and open it and stir. That is how you make your waakye. It's kind of like similar to making jollof rice. Yeah, just you have to make sure that this is cooking really beautiful and perfect. You want everything to come out perfect and fluffy and delicious. That is how we want our rice. So soon it is going to be ready. So as you can tell, yay, the waakye is finally ready, and you can serve with any side of your choice. So recently I made my smoky tomato stew, and that is perfect. That's what I'm going to use to serve with this waakye. Or you just serve it with any stew of your choice. If you have mackerel stew or tomato stew or shito, you just can enjoy with anything that you have at all. So I have in here my leaves, and I'm going to serve my waakye in there, and that way I am done. And I have in here my grilled fish, and I have in here my egg, because this is the perfect combination of this waakye. You cannot make a waakye without your gari or your fish, or your meat and your macaroni, or talia. Yeah, you have to add all of that in there to complete this meal. And also, if you lack avocado, you can add that, and a little bit of salad will be perfect. At the moment, I do not have avocado or salad, so I'm just gonna serve it how it is. It's even delicious. I'm just gonna enjoy that. And I have in here my green shito, and if you have the black shito, you can even add it as well. But my tomato stew is just perfect, so I don't really need hot shito right now. So thank you so much for watching. The leftovers I'm gonna just store in my bowl and cover it, and then put it in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching. This is how I make my roadside authentic waakye, and I believe you're gonna try this recipe, because you can tell the perfection of this meal will just make you craving for more. So I hope on show PBR. Until I see you again, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.